Hey everyone, this is A for iOS Hacker. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to hard reset your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. If your iPhone 17 has frozen, became unresponsive, or the screen is stuck and not reacting to touches, a hard reset can help you quickly bring it back to normal without losing any data. So without any further ado, let's get started. You will need to use three buttons on your iPhone 17: the volume up button, the volume down button, and the side button on the right side of your iPhone. Now follow these steps in quick succession. Press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even when you see the power off slider appear on the screen. Don't let go just yet. After a few seconds, your screen will go black and the Apple logo will appear. That means your iPhone 17 is restarting. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the side button. Your iPhone will take a few moments to reboot. When it powers back on, it should be working normally again. This process does not erase any of your data. It's completely safe. If your iPhone still doesn't respond after trying this, you may need to connect it to a computer and use recovery mode. I have linked a tutorial on how to do this in the description of this video. And that's how you can hard reset your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro in just a few seconds. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.